Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to tell you that how you can use flax seeds to lose weight. Flaxseed contains omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein and many other nutrients which are really important for your body. So in this video we are going to make a drink which will help you to lose weight. The ingredients needed are water, lemon and some flax seeds. So let's get started. First of all, take a pan and heat it up. Now you have to add 1.5 cup of water in it. Now add 1 spoon of flaxseed in it. Now you have to add 1 spoon of honey in it. Adding honey is completely optional, but we recommend you to add as it will give you good taste as well as many benefits too. Now let it boil for 5 to 7 minutes. You will notice a very good change in color when it's done. It will take your 7 to 8 minutes only. After this, switch off the flame. Now transfer it into a glass. After this, you have to add approximately 1 spoon of lemon juice in it. Mix it, and you can also add a pinch of salt. See, it's done. Drink it regularly for weight loss. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share.